Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ultimate Health Guide. If you've recently been diagnosed with fatty liver disease or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, there is encouraging news. It is fully reversible with the right approach. In our last video, we explored the major risk factors for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. If you missed it, be sure to check out the link in the description for a comprehensive overview. In this detailed guide, I will walk you through the precise steps you need to take to reverse fatty liver disease effectively and quickly, with noticeable improvements often within just a few weeks. I'll also provide practical advice on the foods you should include in your diet, those you should avoid, and the supplements that can support your liver's recovery process. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming health tips. Now, let's jump right into how you can take control of your liver health with these effective strategies. Understanding fatty liver disease. To effectively tackle fatty liver disease, it's essential to understand its underlying causes. Fatty liver disease is primarily caused by excessive consumption of sugars, especially fructose and sucrose. Sucrose, commonly known as table sugar, breaks down into fructose and glucose in the body. When consumed in large quantities, these sugars trigger a series of metabolic changes that lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver, which can progress to more severe conditions, including diabetes mellitus, cardiovascular diseases, dementia, and even certain cancers. The unique role of fructose. Fructose is particularly problematic because it does not stimulate leptin, a hormone that signals fullness to the brain after a meal. As a result, consuming fructose can lead to overeating and excessive fat accumulation in the liver. Chronic fructose consumption also promotes leptin resistance, which results in persistent hunger and diminished satiety, further exacerbating liver fat accumulation. Research insight. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a high fructose diet for just 7 days significantly increased liver fat deposition and decreased insulin sensitivity. This underscores the importance of reducing fructose intake to improve liver health and prevent further complications. How to avoid fructose and sugars. Number 1. Eliminate sugary drinks. Sugary beverages are major contributors to excessive sugar intake. This includes sodas, fruit juices, energy drinks, and sports drinks. Although fruit juices are often marketed as healthy, they are highly concentrated sources of sugar and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. This makes it easier to consume large amounts of sugar in one serving. Number 2. Avoid dry fruits. Dry fruits such as dates, raisins, and prunes are high in concentrated sugars. Even though they do not contain added sugars, their natural sugars are concentrated and can overwhelm your liver. Fresh fruits, while containing fructose, come with fiber and other nutrients that moderate the impact of fructose on your liver. Additional study. A 2019 study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, demonstrated that restricting sugar intake to less than 3% of daily calories resulted in significant improvements in hepatic steatosis within 8 weeks. This highlights the effectiveness of reducing sugar consumption for better liver health. Actionable steps to reverse fatty liver. Number 1. Increase protein intake. Increasing your protein intake, especially at breakfast, can have significant benefits for your liver. A study involving over 9,000 Australians found that consuming a high-protein breakfast led to fewer cravings for sugary and processed foods throughout the day. Aim to include 25-35 grams of protein in each meal. Adequate protein intake supports weight management, which is crucial for improving fatty liver. Weight loss is one of the most effective ways to reduce liver fat and improve liver function. Number 2. Monitor saturated fat intake. While animal proteins are valuable sources of protein, it's important to be cautious with saturated fats found in red meats, processed meats, butter, and fried foods. Studies, including one published in Diabetes and Metabolism, have shown that saturated fats can increase liver fat more significantly than fructose. Therefore, it is essential to limit saturated fat intake to prevent exacerbation of fatty liver. Number 3. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Opt for polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats from sources like fatty fish, nuts, avocados, and olive oil. Avoid excessive consumption of saturated fats, particularly those in processed meats, fried foods, and pastries. For a balanced diet, limit saturated fat intake to less than 5% of your total daily calorie consumption. Number 4. Focus on carbohydrate quality. Prioritize low glycemic carbohydrates that have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Include foods such as legumes, vegetables, and fruits. Limit high glycemic index foods, such as white bread, white rice, and processed potatoes, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These low glycemic foods help stabilize blood sugar levels and support better liver health. Additional tips for liver health. Abstain from alcohol. Alcohol consumption can significantly worsen fatty liver disease and impede recovery. Abstaining from alcohol is crucial for managing and reversing fatty liver disease effectively. Number 2. Engage in regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise each week. Incorporate resistance training or muscle building exercises at least 2 days a week. Regular physical activity supports weight loss, improves liver function, and enhances overall metabolic health. Number 3. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for liver health. Drinking adequate water supports the liver's detoxification processes and overall function. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider reducing intake of sugary and caffeinated beverages. Number 4. Get quality sleep. Adequate and quality sleep is vital for liver health. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night. Poor sleep patterns can contribute to weight gain and exacerbate liver conditions. Supplement support. While dietary changes are fundamental, certain supplements can further enhance liver recovery. Here's a closer look at the most promising supplements. Number 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E, especially at a dosage of 800 international units per day, has shown significant improvements in non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. However, high doses of vitamin E, greater than 400 per day, have been associated with potential risks, including increased all-cause mortality and prostate cancer. Consult with your healthcare provider before starting high-dose vitamin E supplements to weigh the benefits and risks. Number 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly from fish oil, are beneficial for liver health. A meta-analysis published in Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3 supplementation, notably docosahexaenoic acid, is associated with improvements in liver markers and a reduction in liver fat. Number 3. Choline. Choline has gained attention as a potential treatment for fatty liver. A recent case control study found that high intake of choline and betaine was associated with a significant reduction in hepatic steatosis. However, more research is needed to confirm its efficacy and optimal dosage. Until more data is available, ensure adequate choline intake through foods like eggs, lean meats, and seafood. Final opinion. By incorporating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can expect to see improvements in your liver biomarkers within a few weeks. Adopting these changes is crucial to prevent progression to more severe liver conditions, such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis or cirrhosis, which may eventually require more invasive treatments. I hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in your journey to better liver health. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content on liver health and overall wellness. Stay healthy, see you in the next video.